Hey, good morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Okay, today we got two jobs. Okay, gonna be home early after a nice bank deposit. First, we're gonna go do a mobile home wash, and then we're gonna go do 2 driveways on the same property, small driveways. Get that out of the way and we'll be done. Then tomorrow, have a very big project to do on a big piece of property. Gonna be, you know, a nice ticket for tomorrow. That is for sure. Here we are at job number 1, and hey, look at this hat, man. Ted had this made for me, and a whole bunch of other hats, regular hats and stuff like that. Thanks again, Ted. What a guy, man, I tell you. All right, today we're going to be doing this mobile wash. We're going to start right here. Going to soap everything down, the porch, all that stuff over there. We're going to go all the way around to the other side over there. Then we're going to rinse it all the way back, and I got my wand sitting all the way around the corner over there. So when we do come back to rinse, we'll have our tools over there so we can just make our way back, all right? All right, we're gonna be trying out this baby right here. We'll go ahead and film a little bit of this real time, and then you'll be able to see that this thing works pretty darn good. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's show you the width of this thing pretty good. Be a first for me. I usually use the wand, so try this out, right? Look at that. Put some soap through here. Here's the soap tip. There it is. Bit more soap. I don't think that injector is in there all the way right. We'll be right back.
Tell me something promising and then you change your mind. I'm caught up in the lies you spend. I feel I'm wasting precious time. Some of your primitive touch.
All right, everything's coming out great. Had to go back to the old way of doing things. That M twist thing is not drawing any chlorine. SH. Must have the wrong gallons per minute, or I need to run my machine high. I don't have time to experiment with it today. We'll figure it out though. I'm sure it's something stupid, as always, but this regular tip is working just fine. So now we're all the way done up to these are acrylic windows, so don't want to leave the SH on there too long at all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come down the rest of the house here, get around the back, then we'll rinse this all the way off, and we're already done rinsing everything else. Then we'll go down the side of the garage, which that's that building right there. Finish that, we'll do the driveway, and we'll be out of here. All right, let's get after it, shall we? All right, look at that. Looks good all the way down to there, all finished, all the mold's gone, the awning's clean, looks great. Everything looks really good. Nice and clean. Now we're just gonna go down the other side of that garage over there. We're totally rinsed and totally done back on this mobile. Just walk past here a little bit. We'll see you guys on the other side. Let's get after it. Alright, it's as simple as that, you know what I'm saying? Now all we gotta do is rinse it off. It's already dwelled enough. Let's get after it. Well, you've seen enough of that. Let's go ahead and rinse it off, and then we're gonna get after the driveway.
My tail is in a spin. Ow! I keep spinning round and round and round and round.
Alright, let's do this driveway real time, 10.5 gallons a minute. If you notice, I'm running 10.5 gallons a minute. What I mean by that is that gives me more cleaning power. It doesn't mean you can move faster with your surface cleaner. As we saw yesterday, Ted was going a little too fast with his, and we left a bunch of marks. Then we went over it again and post-treated it, and we got rid of all that stuff. But you have to slow down. So when you have a lot of water, it creates more cleaning power, but it doesn't mean you're going to walk faster. This is a very dirty driveway right here, so I had to slow down a little bit. You might have noticed I came back a little bit on a couple passes, because if you go too fast, you're not going to clean a very dirty driveway. That's my point I'm trying to make. I'm also going to try, we're going to take the turbo nozzle right now, get all these weeds out of here and edge this side here. But then I'm going to try that that twist thing. I think it's made for 8 to 11 gallons a minute. I was only running it at 4 gallons a minute because I had the machine turned way down. Maybe that's the problem. We'll try it out after we get done with the turbo nozzle, all right? We'll be back. Let's get after it.
Want some of your primitive touch?
right, here we are at job number 2, all about concrete and clean up a little extra things for the customer. I had to jack the price up a little bit because of these driveways are bigger than they were described to me. Anyway, I've done these driveways before. I just didn't remember what the price was until I got here. And she had some other stuff. We have this little slab here, and we have this green algae here. See that? You want to get all that off of there for her. Molds up around here, no problem at all. We'll take care of it. Very nice lady. See all that algae, black algae. And of course, we're going to do the sidewalk. And we're going to go ahead and hit this up here. It's got mold, and we're going to hit the whole side of the mobile home, all up and down here. The door's dirty, and she'd like to have this corner cleaned out as well. It has a bunch of algae. Then we'll hit this edge right here. Then she'll get her money's worth. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast, and let's just super blast it on up. We're going to go ahead and SH everything down. Then we're going to get after it. 10.5 gallons a minute. Post treat it. We got a couple weeds here and there. We'll get them out. Then we'll be getting after it. All right, let's go. All right, the first thing that's going to take place, we're going to SH all this down. Get all this SH all the way up the driveway. And we're going to SH all that over there. Go around the back of the porch there. SH all of it. Walk up to the mini Mondu that's parked in front of the van there. Get all that done, get that porch done, come around here. We'll rinse all that off first, then we'll come in here and get all this rinsed and do this concrete here, all right? Let's get after it.
Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch? Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch?
All right, we got everything SH down. All that mold's already gone. We're gonna head clean this little fencing here as well. That has come right off of there, as you can see. All right, now we're gonna walk this puppy back up that way. Get after the driveway and the sidewalk. Then we'll rinse that all off. We'll come back here and hit this. All right. So let's go ahead and get after it. Wow, the getting's good.
I'm gonna do some downtown preaching, protect this heart of mine.
right, let's have a look at this finished product. Look how nice his driveway came out. Beautiful. Gave this customer a little extra bang for the buck. Got all the mold off. All that's clean. Cleaned all this. Got the door nice and white again. Thing has some black algae all over it. This corner had all that black algae up there. It's all gone. Everything's clean. Driveway looks good. The windows look good. Just got to drag this plant back over where it was. Check this out over here. Driveway looks great. Everything looks good here. And we already know what that looks like over there. We don't need to go traipsing through the grass. All right, now drag this hose over this way a little bit so it's aimed correctly. Right back to the rig where it belongs. It's home, man. It's got to go home. Drag this up here like that. All right, let's reel everything in and get out of here, baby. Get after it. All right, that's going to be a wrap for this wonderful Friday. We beat the rains. The guy over there is mowing the grass over there. He's able to go ahead and mow, get the place done. Very, very cool. We all work together. Most of the time, you know, you run into a guy that's not going to work very well with you, but you know, that's what it happens every once in a while. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you at the real big job tomorrow. It's Big Ticket Saturday, baby. All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it!